Hi, my name is Rachel. Today we're talking about installing Shinobi on a fresh installation of Ubuntu 20.04, as well as setting up drivers for our NVIDIA RTX 3070 to use with real-time object detection. Copy the install command to your clipboard and run it in the terminal window to your server. This is PuTTY. It's a terminal window to my Ubuntu server. I'm using PuTTY because I'm on Windows. Mac and Linux users already have terminal built in to their operating systems. Select Ubuntu Fast and Touchless. Some networks may have issues if IPv6 is enabled. Try disabling IPv6 if you don't know. Once you reboot, IPv6 will be enabled again. Now that the install is complete, open the web portal link to the super user login page of your new Shinobi server. Notice how this login screen has a green hue to it. This signifies we are in the right place for super user login. A blue hue means we're at the normal login page. We'll come back to this later. Let's first head inside the super user panel. The default login for the super user is admin@shinobi.video with the password as admin. Now that we're in, open the plugin manager and download an object detection plugin. We'll demonstrate with TensorFlow. Install CUDA and the NVIDIA drivers, then reboot the server after the installation is complete. Skip to 4:52 to move on to installation and testing of the plugin. Once the reboot is complete, you may need to refresh the page to reveal the plugin controls again. Test the NVIDIA drivers to see it has detected your GPU. Run the installer and select Yes to installing with GPU support. Enable the plugin. Then run Test Object Detector on GPU. It succeeded if objects were detected. No matrices at all means it failed the test. Ensure the plugin is enabled and restart Shinobi. Now make an account to try it with a monitor setup. For this you only need to fill the email address and password fields. Also, if you like using Shinobi, please consider subscribing to a mobile license to activate your server software. Log in with the account you just created. Then we'll set up a simulated camera to test the object detector. Notice the blue hue on the login page. This means we're at the dashboard login. Open the monitor settings and start by enabling the object detector. It should say the plugin name followed by the word connected. Since we know this is a static file, we'll make a few adjustments for performance. You'll see red boxes all over. This is because we left motion detection as an initiator for the object detector. Let's turn off motion detection to only have the object detector running. You'll notice that the red boxes are not in sync with the live stream. We can fix this by using MJPEG for the stream type. However, this comes at a higher cost on the server's CPU as well as bandwidth used between client devices, viewing the MJPEG stream. Thanks for watching.
Bye!